Today we're going to see a place that is actually just like brand new here at the most convenient location in Lahaina, Hoonanea. I'm Lahaina Lee. Today we're here with our favorite agent, Becky Sparling. Hey Becky, what have you got for us today?
A beautiful new Hoonanea. Come on inside. We're inside this beautifully renovated 919 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath Hoonanea unit. Brand new floors, brand new paint, brand new appliances, brand new bathrooms, brand new kitchen.
Wow, it sounds like everything is brand new.
Everything is brand new.
I'm kind of a kitchen guy because I like to cook, and I just love this quartz countertop. They did everything with stainless steel appliances. These are all brand new. And I think every cook likes this farmhouse sink.
Let's take a look at the primary. First thing that I like is how much light comes in through the windows.
It's great, there is a lot of light.
And then the brand new ceiling fans for air circulation.
Nice.
The brand new split ACs that are in all main rooms in the unit. And then we walk this way to a beautiful new walk-in closet. Lots of space for hanging and storage.
Everybody likes that.
And the ensuite primary bathroom with a gorgeous new tiled step-in shower.
That is beautiful tile. That's a great room.
Hey, let's go take a look at the second bedroom. My favorite part about this room is the slider out to the patio. And again, we have our brand new ceiling fans, the new split AC I mentioned was in every one of the main rooms, and then the ensuite bathroom. Here's the other new bathroom. Beautifully spacious, gorgeous tile, and this one you get a tub, as well as the water heater and washer dryer closet, and an extra linen closet for more storage.
Fantastic. And there's nice lighting in here too. And a huge bonus that you don't get in very many places is a nice lanai just outside your back door and this nice little yard area. It's perfect. And you know, so I was just raving about the location of Hoonanea. And so what is so great about this location? Well, just watch this. Across the street, catty corner, and just a little bit over a block away. A regular grocery store with some gourmet items. The place with the friendly hardware man. Or the budget-conscious shopper. If you're feeling carnivorous, in the mood for something lighter, pork and salad coming soon, and a little gelato. The big Safeway, good old Long's Drug Store, Restaurant Row starting with Aloha Mix Plate, the new Star Noodle. Honu, now open. Maui. And the new Cocoa Deck. And Walgreens. And just down the street, Baby Beach. Yeah, and that's what makes this such a great location in Lahaina. Hey, from Hoonanea, this is Lahaina Lee for Becky Sparling saying aloha.